Today I decided to go to City Bakery in Fukuoka, Japan. Fun fact about the word city in Japanese, it's actually pronounced shiti, so I'll let you make assumptions from that one. Anyways, the reason I'm here is to get some cornbread and some of this macadamia nut bread. And to top it all off, I'm getting this Kyuushu tornado baguette and some of this blueberry butter. See, this is why bigger isn't always better. Luckily, this tornado baguette can actually be ripped apart and can be used as kind of a dipper. And I was actually kind of surprised. This cornbread tastes exactly like the stuff you can get in America. And if you like macadamia nuts and chocolate, this is a perfect bakery dessert.